In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to completely uninstall Visual Studio Code in Windows 11. Whether you're switching to a different editor, freeing up space, or just doing some cleanup on your system, I'll walk you through the full process slowly and clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. First, let's get to the right place in Windows. On your desktop or anywhere in Windows, look towards the bottom of the screen and click on the search icon on your taskbar. This is usually a magnifying glass symbol. If you don't see it, you can also press the Windows key on your keyboard and simply start typing. That will open the search panel just the same. In the search box, begin typing Control Panel. Windows should suggest the Control Panel app as you type. Go ahead and click on the Control Panel result to open it. This is where you manage many system settings, including installed programs. Once the Control Panel window is open, look for the section related to Programs. Depending on how your Control Panel is set up, you might see Programs or Programs and Features. If you're in Category View, click on Uninstall a Program under the Programs heading. If you're in Icon View, just click directly on Programs and Features. They both take you to the same list of installed software. Now you should see a list of all the programs currently installed on your computer. This might take a moment to load if you have a lot of applications, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. In this list, scroll down until you find Visual Studio Code. It might be listed as Microsoft Visual Studio Code or simply Visual Studio Code. You can also click on the name column to sort alphabetically, which makes it easier to find. Once you've located Visual Studio Code in the list, click on it once to highlight it. After you select it, look near the top of the list for the Uninstall button and click on that. Windows may ask you to confirm that you want to remove this program. Choose Yes or Uninstall to continue. The uninstaller will then run and remove Visual Studio Code from your system. This usually only takes a few moments. When it finishes, Visual Studio Code should disappear from the list of installed programs, which means it has been successfully uninstalled from Windows 11.